Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you can do if you don't have the ingredient for a food in Heartopia. So for instance, I want to make this afternoon tea, but I don't have tiramisu. And basically, you can use universal ingredients instead. You can purchase using wishing stars, or you can go to Masimo first and purchase it using gold coins. So I am going to go to Masimo first. I don't know how to pronounce his name until now, but you are going to want to buy that from him first using coins because wishing stars are very hard to get. So we are going to go to Massimo here. I think you're only able to purchase it once you're level something of the hobby. Let me see first, actually. Cooking, let's see. Amazing. Okay, you'll need to be level 4 to be able to purchase universal ingredient, as you can see. So let's go to the cooking store and let's purchase it somewhere. Wait, where is it? Oh, here it is. And it is quite expensive. Let me just buy 5 for now. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. If you want to know how to use it, by the way, you are just going to cook as usual and select the ingredient that you're missing. Press the plus button. Well, I'm just going to show you guys because sometimes people will just complain if I don't show them every single thing. So I will show you guys. Alright, so to use it, you are going to go to a stove and you are going to select the item that you want to cook. So for me, afternoon tea, press the plus button here and you are going to select the universal ingredient and you're just going to start cooking. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye!